Okay, eye contact is a notice board and a directory for the city you're based in. Um, when type in the address, and it'll take you through to the city that you're in. In this case, we're in Bristol. Um, on the screen, you can see various icons dotted around. Um, if you point at an icon, it'll it's got a display. If you click on the icon, it'll take you through to a link associated with that display. So where was that display? Um, um, there's various different types of display. You can see some of them just got one button. That means there's just that one thing. But if they've got two buttons, you can open up their other parts of their display, the pages and things that they've done before. So this, for instance, is, you know, other articles by this person. Um, you can there's text images. You can also do include video as well. So um, all these are part of one person's sort of past displays, and you can leave that on while you're sort of cruising around searching other things as well. Um, at the top left of the screen is this what we call the navigation console. In the central part, if you go over the central, it'll open up a map of the city you're in. If you go to the top left, this is where you type in your um, name and password in order to log in, or you can use it to set up if you're on a touchscreen device. Um, the central top one links you to the eye contact network. For instance, it's taking you up to Eye Contact UK, um, where there's nobody on the screen here. See, it's Eye Contact UK. And say you wanted to go to another part of the UK, you could go to London, and it would take you to what's on the screen in London. But we want to go back to Bristol, so we'll go back to Bristol, and so that's a link to the whole network. That's a geo network that covers you know, UK, Europe, and beyond. Um, there's a user guide so that you can sort of find out how to do different aspects of, you know, how it all works. These things here are the sort of like, it's like an instrument that tells you where where the pointer is. So if you're right at the top here, see how it's saying 2 or 1, 0, 9. Whereas say you're on this icon here, it's telling you it's 279119. Now you use that to sort of, when you're deciding where you want to be on the screen, you could say I wanted to be in a certain position, but you can also use it to address certain sort of displays. If you want to send them a message, you can address that position, and you know, you'll be able to send a message to them. Below this is like a text box where you can type in sort of tag names and keywords. So say I know for a fact that there's a university thing to do with the university, the uni, and if you type in uni, it highlights. See how it's highlighted that icon there, and that's Bristol University. So if you wanted to link to university, that would take you there. You know, you can type in different ones, politics, see if there's anyone, there's one political one here, and so on. So these are sort of ways that you can sort of use to search. I mean, it's particularly useful for tradespeople. Say this um, icon is a square one, which indicates a business, and it's a painting and decorating, painters and decorators. So that say you type in decorator, so you see how it's highlighted that that thing there. So it's a part of the way that you search on this on this screen. The bottom left and right are different types of display systems. This is the first one is a kind of debating forum, and at the moment George Ferguson, Mayor of Bristol, wants it to become the testbed for new ideas, and so surrounding around those are like the example are different ideas, you know, that are responses to his challenge. Um, this this screen changes, you know, the positions change each time you think, but it's the same, you know, same responses. So this takes us back to the main screen. On the right hand side is another way of displaying information. The most recently posted items appear at the front, and the ones that are from a long time ago are sort of deeply embedded in the back. You can, if you find a corner of them, get them to come to the front. Um, um, but it's basically the most recently posted information will display at the front. And we're back on the main screen here. As you can see, these and there's different icons are sort of shaped and decorated in different ways. They can be coloured in different ways. These ones are coloured to indicate they're pubs and bars, or bars and restaurants, and they're clustered in a cluster, which sort of tends to be associated with sort of food and that sort of thing. So there's ways of reading the signals that these icons send out, so to help you you know explore the pages. If you want to set up on the screen, all you have to do is double click on the screen, and it will take you through to a setup where you can set up. Okay, that's all for now. I'm going to do another screencast on how you do operate the control panel, but that's all for now. But I don't know how to stop this thing. I just really don't know how to stop it. Crazy, but I do not know how to literally stop this thing. So I don't know what's going on here. I can't get this QuickTime player to